Welcome to Social Studies class. Myself, Vasya Sultana, EGT Economics, TS Model School, Mahabubabad. Today we are going to learn our first chapter, India Relief Features. In this session, we discuss on following topics: relief features, location of a place, Indian Standard Time, Greenwich Meridian Time, geological background of India. Coming to first topic, relief features. Relief features means different types of landforms. For example, plains, plateaus, coastal areas, desert, mountains, valleys, rivers, etc. Like this, every country or region has its own relief features. In coming chapters, we will learn about climate of India, water resources, population, etc. related to India relief features. Now, our second topic, how to locate a place exactly on the globe. We can easily locate a place or region on the globe accurately with the help of latitudes and longitudes. Before going to locate our country, I want to recall your past knowledge about the globe. We know globe is the best model for the earth. Latitudes and longitudes are imaginary lines drawn on the globe. Look at this picture. The equator divides the globe into two parts. The half that lies north of equator is called northern hemisphere. The half that lies south of the equator is called southern hemisphere. Same as prime meridian divides the globe into two parts. The half that lies east of prime meridian and 180 degrees west meridian is eastern hemisphere. The half that lies west of prime meridian and 180 degrees east meridian is western hemisphere. Now, location of India. To locate any place, we need the complete information about latitudes and longitudes. India lies between 8 degrees 4 minutes north to 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitudes and 68 degrees 7 minutes east to 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitudes. With this information, we find India on the globe in northern and eastern hemispheres. We can see it in this picture. Now, let us to know distances between east to west and north to south. The distance between east to west is 2933 kilometers and north to south is 3214 kilometers. Now, our third topic, Indian Standard Time and Greenwich Mean Time. Let us know what is Indian Standard Time. We know India lies between 68 degrees 7 minutes east longitude to 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitude. It extended approximately 29 longitudinals. Due to this vast longitudinal expansion, the extreme west part of India is approximately 2 hours behind from the extreme east part of India. To avoid this confusion, we take 82.5 degrees east longitude as Indian Standard Time because it passes through middle of the country from north to south. Near Allahabad, Indian Standard Time is 5.5 hours ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. What is GMT? GMT means Greenwich Mean Time. Look at this world map. Here we observe 0 degree longitude. This longitude is taken as GMT. It is also known as International Standard Time. In this session, our last topic is geological background of India. Present landforms of Earth formed by several processes like weathering, erosion, transportation, and deposition over millions of years. Present world landforms originated from two giant lands. They are Angara land or Laurasia land and Gondwana land. Our Indian landmass was part of Gondwana land. Over 200 million years ago, this Gondwana land split into pieces, and Indian peninsular plate moved towards northeast and collided into the much larger Eurasia plate of Angara land. Because of this collision and immense compression force resulting, the Himalayas are evolved through a folding process over millions of years. The Himalayas are dividing the Indian plains from Tibetan plateau, and the peninsular plateau also breaking off Indian plains from its northern corners. This process led to the formation of a large basin between the Himalayas and the peninsular plateau. In due course of time, this basin slowly got filled with sediments deposited by the Himalayan rivers from north and peninsular rivers from south. This created the extensive flat northern plains of India. The peninsular plateau is one of the most ancient land blocks on the Earth's surface. The Indian landmass displays great relief variations, which we are going to know in next session.